Hi guys, today we will set up Nexus repository. Nexus repository. Nexus is the artifact repository which is used to store the artifacts like jar or war files. Okay, so we will set up the Nexus setup today. Let's start. For starting this setting up Nexus, we require the prerequisite is like we need to install Java software, and we require t2.medium instance in AWS EC2 service, and also mobile XM we will log in. Okay, let's go to AWS launch instance. Nexus setup. Okay, Amazon, select Amazon Linux to AMI. And I already have the key Amazon. I have the key. Let me my existing keys are like Amazon keys. This one. If you don't have key means you can create new key pair here. And I want for the T2 medium is required here. Instance we required is T2 medium. T2 medium. Yeah, this one. T2 medium, 2 CPUs, 4 GB RAM. Okay, next launch instance. View all instances. Yeah, it's running right now. Let's go here. Take the public IP. Session SSH public IP remote host and EC2 hyphen user advanced SSH settings. Use private key. Amazon keys. This is my key. Next, OK. Accept. Okay, now we go for document once and follow the steps. We should have a root user. Sudo su hyphen right. Sudo su hyphen. Now we came into root user. Next is we are cd/opt we will take. Okay. Next one, we have to install Java here. The command is sudo yum install Java hyphen 1.810. Install. You have to enter Y. Enter. We have update the document here. Hyphen Y we have to enter here. Okay. Next one. We have to get the Nexus repository from this link actually. This is the URL actually. URL is Nexus repository. To download the Nexus repository, we should go to this URL actually. Okay. Go here. This is the URL for downloading the Nexus repository. See here, this is the version 3.57 and download Sonotype Nexus repository. This is the one, the latest version, and but I will go with the existing stable version I have. This one 3.40 I am going right now. I already copied that link here. Latest version is this one. We have to give wget. We have to give wget to download the Nexus. See this one, it's downloading. Give ls-l. Yeah, this is the Nexus. Just got downloaded. We need to extract this one. tar command tar hyphen xvz and this zip file tar.gz. It's extracting. After extracting, check with ls-l. This is the one. After extracting, now go to the document once again. We have completed till here. Now what we are doing here, we are changing that file name of Nexus to. I have this big file name now, so we are this is big file name is there. We are changing this file name to Nexus. That means we are renaming this one with this command. MB is for renaming that file to /opt/Nexus. Right now we rename that Nexus. See, ls-l. Now it got renamed to Nexus. Earlier it was like this. Now after rename, the file name is Nexus like this. Okay. Next one is, as a good security practice, Nexus is not advised to run Nexus service as a root user. So create a new user called Nexus and grant sudo access to manage Nexus service. So we have to create one Nexus user using user add command. User add and Nexus. So user is created. Next, what we have to give the sudo access to the Nexus. Right now we have to give the sudo access to the Nexus. Right now it is normal user. We have to provide the sudo access for the Nexus user. So where we have to go? We have to go to va sudo. Go to this file. Okay. Va sudo. Then this is the user. Root is the user which is having full access in the system. Right now we have created Nexus also, and we are giving the same access, sudo access. Let's go to the document. This one, see, add below lines in sudo files, just below root user details we can add it. So same the Nexus user right now we are adding in sudo file. Okay, I am giving here. Yes, given. Now we have to close the file. For closing we have to give like Control X. What is happening here? Escape. Escape colon WQ is work. Okay. Escape colon WQ. I saved it. Okay. Next user is created. Now next we have to do is change the owner and group permissions to the opt/nexus and /opt Sonotype directories. So we need to change the owner and group for this directories. Okay, this one and this one. So go to here, just copy paste the command. We are changing it to owner to Nexus for this part. Okay, next one, This one also, for this path also we need to change the owner as Nexus owner and group. Change. Next one, this one we are giving the permissions for this path. Okay, next one, this one also we are changing the permissions for this path. Okay, it's done. Next, open file and uncomment. Okay, we will open the file first. Go to here first, open Nexus, bin nexus.rc. Okay, here you have to uncomment this one, put uncomment and put here Nexus. Okay, save it, escape q, not save and quit. So we change that run as user to Nexus. Next one, we have to create the service actually right now. For creating service, below the comments, so this one we have to click. Right now we are creating the service for Nexus. Okay, nexus.ts. okay, next one, insert mode. Go to insert mode, put the below comments in the above file. These are the comments we have to put in that file for creating the Nexus service. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, done. Escape WQ, save and quit. Next one, we need to start the services. Start it first we have to do this one, demo and reload, systemctl demo and reload. Okay, done. Next one, this one, nexus.service. Start the service, Nexus service. Next, check the status of the Nexus. Is it running or not? Status. Yes, Nexus is running right now. You can see active, running. Next one, enable Nexus, enable the Nexus. Okay, next, it's done. So the setup is done. Okay, now next we have to take the IP. We have done the Nexus setup. Now what we will do, we have to go and take this IP of this machine, Nexus machine, and Nexus, see this one, this is the one, the port number of Nexus is 8081. okay, type it. This will not come because we have not opened the port 80801 in the security group. Let's go and open right now. Go here, click on security, go here, click on security groups, then see only one port is there, SSH port. Go to read inbound rules, add rule. Next one is 8081. Okay, save now. It got saved. Now you go here and check. See, once we open the port, it is automatically starting. Nexus repository manager. Okay, next one is we have to go and sign in here. The default user is admin. Password is we have to get the password from here. Okay, copy this and put here. You have to give cat command for getting the password. Okay, this is the password from here to here. Okay, now paste here. Okay, sign in, correct username, password. Okay, we are given something wrong. Admin. You can copy this one, put it in some. We'll take this one, copy paste here first. Copy paste here. Paste the password here first. Okay. Copy and paste. It's done. See this one. Next, we have to change the password. It means something we have to give password admin 123 or something like that. Admin and confirm password. New password and confirm password. Next. Then enable anonymous access means that by default user can search, browse and download components from repositories without credentials. Please consider the security implications for your organization. Disable anonymous access should be chosen with care, as it will be require credentials for all the users and all the build tools. Okay. We'll go with this option. Click on next. Setup tasks have been completed. Enjoy using Nexus repository. Okay. Finish. Sign out. Sign in. Admin 123. Is signed in, right? You also signed as admin. Okay. This is about Nexus repository. We have set up the Nexus repository. Thank you guys for watching the video.